Alright, so you might be wondering, why Profectus It? Can't I just do it myself? Firstly, let's talk about data. We've got the know-how and experience with over 20 years in the game to find those missed claims and discrepancies that can cost you money. Pulling together data might sound easy, but trust us, it's like climbing Mount Everest if you don't know what you're doing. We're experts at finding data anomalies and relevant claims to your industry. Plus, we're always on the lookout for valuable information, which means we're proactively collecting data that benefits our clients. If you were to tackle this alone, you'd need a lot of extra expertise and resources, taking you away from your core work. So why not leave it to the experts? Next up, contract compliance is no one-size-fits-all deal. Each supplier vertical, like waste, freight, or electricity, has its own unique complexities when it comes to contracts, fees, and charges. Just as you wouldn't go to a family lawyer for immigration advice, you wouldn't trust analysts who aren't familiar with the ins and outs of your specific industry. We specialize in understanding the nuances of various verticals, ensuring a comprehensive and accurate audit. Finally, by entrusting us with the entire process, from data collection to recovery, you won't have to worry about souring your supplier relationships. In fact, chances are we already have established connections with your suppliers, which means the recovery process will be smooth and positive for everyone involved. So are you ready to take your profit protection to the next level? Profectus It. Let us make sure every dollar you spend with your suppliers is correct.